shot.
Okay. We're almost to Tiffany's house now, and the street is empty. But the snow's a little more packed here, so we've had a little bit more luck driving down this road than we did down our own.
Which means we're not as important.
Yeah. So, we got a car coming straight at us. Hope in Jesus' name.
I am not stopping.
We're not trying to play chicken.
Bok bok, baby.
And we're going to have to turn here. It was a close call earlier. We almost ran into the back of a Honda.
We did.
CRV. That's the car I want if anyone's interested in buying me a car. Giving me one. Honda CRV. They almost plowed into one. Okay.
That's what we need.
Look! They've got the right ideas! Big old snowplow. I think that's from VDOT. There's the one snowplow Virginia Beach has, just past the side. If you're wondering what it looks like. It's in the, and around the Mount Trashmore area at the moment. And we're off Tiffany Street. We are almost there. Turning. She has her right indicator on. Why? I don't know.
There's a guy behind me!
Look at all the snow! Look at all the snow! Oh God! Where is this doing? Okay, we're good. We got carried away. Crazy woman over here revving her engine.
Oh, look, I'm gonna try to make it. I'm swinging in. Christina, we might get into an accident, but just hang on.
Okay. Oh God! Oh Lord, we're not turning! I think this is as far as we're getting. I'm gonna have to push it.
I'm running.
I'm gonna push it. Here, I'm gonna push it. Out into the snow.
Alright, we're gonna go forward.
Alright, hold on.
We're gonna have to go forward and back and rock me, because I'm in a divot.
Okay, I'm doing my best to rock you.
Oh crap, I was holding it backwards.
My like 120-pound self gonna rock this car.
We might have to get my dad. We might just have to park it on the side of the road.
Okay, we will, but you're right up on the curb. Hold on.